Hey guys, it's Tiffany and Marcello from Tubey Toys. Do you know how long we've had our channel?
Yes.
How long?
2 weeks.
2 years.
Oh, 2
okay.
years.
All right, 2 years. We started the channel with what? What was our first episode? Do you remember? Which toy did we open?
I don't know. I forgot. Tsum Tsums.
Okay. Do you know who makes Disney Tsum Tsum?
JAKKS Pacific.
What's the one toy company that you'd love to work with?
JAKKS Pacific.
What would you say if I told you that this huge box right here was from JAKKS Pacific?
I'd be so amazed. Oh my God! The big Fancy Nancy.
Oh, the hydro liner! And look at this big Fancy Nancy! Look what else they sent you! Mr. Banks! Awesome! Look at this! That's awesome! So you got Mr. Banks to open from their Real Working Buddies line. So cool. You know he takes dollars.
What?
And look at this. Your favorite girl.
Fancy Nancy.
They sent you the big Fancy Nancy.
And she talks.
And she talks. Oh my gosh, she does talk.
What a daring color!
Thank you so much. But it's so cool. Thank you so much.
It's Tubey Toys.
Hey pals, it's Marcello from Tubey Toys. Today it's my dream come true because I'm unboxing JAKKS Pacific toys. JAKKS Pacific. They sent us a big Fancy Nancy that talks. And they sent us a box of Fancy Nancy stuff. Magnifique! It has all the Fancy Nancy fancy words. Poseable, Sensational, Papa Yuan, Marcello. That's her doll. Don't forget to like the stream, subscribe to Tubey Toys. And also hit that gem so you could subscribe on YouTube Kids now. Okay. Oh, there's some wrapping and bubble tape. Wait a minute, what is this? The Fancy Nancy toy box. This is what I wanted. I saw it over here and I wanted it so bad. Thank you so much, JAKKS Pacific. It even comes with a butterfly. See up here, an exclusive butterfly. I want to see how you turn it on.
Do you know where she is?
Paris.
Why do you know she's in Paris?
Because she loves being fancy.
There's more stuff in this box. You want to check it out?
Yeah. This. Oh my gosh. It's a ballet Fancy Nancy.
Look what she does. She makes ballet moves. Popping bubbles.
Yeah, I'm popping the bubble.
Oh, thank you, JAKKS, for sending all those bubbles, too. So what you do is you wind it up. And it's the Ooh La La music box. Oh, and it has the French phone, too. I love the French phone. The French phone's so cool. Let's get her out of the box.
Oh, it comes with a ring.
Yeah, you could put your own, you could wear the ring if you want. Wear the ring, I wish I could.
Well, I can.
You could probably wear it.
Yeah.
It comes with a little drawer, and you could put your treasures inside the drawer. I have a feeling I know what's going inside this drawer already. Probably like Incredibles toys. I don't think jewelry's going in here at all.
No.
Do you have any jewelry?
No.
No, right? It's okay.
Oh, so there's a drawer to put stuff in. I'm already gonna put stuff in here in this video. So my mom's gonna talk, and I'm gonna fill this up, and then when I come back, I'm gonna close it up, and then show you guys what stuff is gonna be in here. I'm gonna spin this and then open it while it's spinning. Let's see what's in here. What I put? A Tsum Tsum, another Tsum Tsum, another Tsum Tsum, and another Tsum Tsum, And another Tsum Tsum! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 Tsum Tsums that could fit in here. 5 medium-sized ones.
The drawer is translucent in gold and has a sparkly butterfly handle. And even the drawer has sparkles, and there's little hearts and other cute shapes and flowers adorning the side of the drawer. Inside, hide all of your little treasures and trinkets, like the adorable pink butterfly ring or papillon ring that's included. There's floral details and cobblestones as Fancy Nancy rides on her little Vespa around the fancy Eiffel Tower. Even her little pup is watching. Do you know the name of the pup? Let us know in the comments below. Fancy Nancy's helmet is sparkly pink. She's wearing a red and white striped shirt, an adorable blue skirt, and her red shoes. Did you see that episode on Disney Junior of her wearing her red shoes?
I really like this. And now let's open up the dancing ballet Fancy Nancy.
You can make Fancy Nancy leap. Look at the cool packaging. The packaging looks like butterfly wings. She can take a bow. She can point.
So guys, you're going to see a little button on her dress, and that's how she moves. A rainbow dance with Bree. Well, Bree would be the sun, and Fancy Nancy would be the rainbow. But Bree didn't want to be doing it. She wanted to be peacocks. So guys, I want my mom to have a baby sister.
Oh my god. Okay. Here is the Fancy Nancy Ballerina, and she actually is really, she moves on her own when you press the button on the side. Look, she has 2 buttons on either side. Look, there's one on this side, and there's another one on the other.
But can you take the garbage out in your hair?
Oh, sorry.
There's little stuff in it. Those little pony stuff.
I don't know why they put it like that.
Oh, to keep a hold.
Oh, you're so smart.
Oh,
Here you
yeah.
go. Here. Isn't she beautiful? And look, she has her sash with her fairy wand, and it even attaches to her hands. See, with that little bow? Here you go.
That's for her ribbon dance. So on the side are the buttons. You click them, and then it moves.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah, that's when she's holding this and she does her ribbon dance.
She had a cute little outfit on.
Yeah.
The tutu's removable, but this is a hard plastic, and her hair is done up really cute way, and she has a little butterfly tiara on. And look how pretty her green sparkly eyes are. And she has red hair just like Mr. Marcello. Does she sit down? Can we make her sit?
Yeah.
No, she can't sit, but... Oh, wait, look! Look she really does like her jeté.
That's cool.
Look, her feet get totally flat.
Yeah.
That is so cool. And then she points her feet. Here you go. So the Fancy Nancy Ballerina is poseable and she really looks like a real ballerina. And look at her beautiful sparkly green eyes and her red hair. She comes with her own fairy wand, and you can move her by pressing the buttons on the side. She could even do a split and raise her arms in the air. She's really a beautiful doll. Really detailed. Very cute. Next is this cool doll. This is super awesome. It's the Shall We Be Fancy Nancy doll, and she says over 35 phrases, and she has colorful lights and music.
Let me show you something. So when you press this button, you see this? The colors come on here. And after she says something, the song comes on.
Yeah, it responds to her. You're right. She comes with a bunch of accessories too.
Yeah, she does.
She's so cute.
See, the colors are going. That's what she does. When you press the button and colors show up on dress, it actually shows up on the butterfly on the wristbands. Cool, right, guys? It's like Fancy Nancy's controlling the butterfly to do colors on her dress. Peekaboo!
I know the perfect song to go with this extra fancy moment. It's still all looking boring and feeling oh so bleak. Just add a little fancy, and you'll make it fantastic. That's French for fantastic. Merci. That's French for thank you. Press papillon again to try another.
So let's put this on your wrist.
Ooh la la.
Oh, there we go.
Look at this purple papillon. Très chic.
A purple papillon.
Brilliant idea for an outfit.
You can control the color of her dress with the butterfly. You use the butterfly as like a remote control, like a color changer. If you don't want to use the butterfly bracelet, you can just press the butterfly necklace on the actual Fancy Nancy doll.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So here are all of her accessories. She comes with a teal tiara with hearts.
What should we call this shade of light?
I actually did it.
Oh,
I
I
sure
know. This is a brilliant shade of coral. A très belle choice. That's French for very pretty.
She also comes with this really cool boa, a handbag
You are so fantastic.
with a butterfly,
Fancy. I know the perfect song to go with this extra fancy moment.
and another tiara with a butterfly,
All looking boring and feeling oh so
and fancy glasses. Got a little fancy.
and you'll make it. Let's change up my wardrobe.
That's what I'm doing now. And look at her. Oh, look at her poseable arms. You could pose her in different. Oh, look at that. Her legs move.
Oh yeah, Dora, I think it's the fanciest of colors.
Her arms.
This color is fantastic.
So cute.
You are
Let's put glasses on.
so much fun being fancy. Press papillon one more time.
If you're having trouble connecting the butterfly to her, pick up your hand and bring it closer to the sensor.
Yeah. Making her fancy.
Want to put that on here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make her super fancy. Can she wear this as a belt? No.
No.
She has her signature pink shoes on.
They can't come off.
They don't come off. And there was one episode I remember where she got red shoes.
Yes. That's the episode where they had the Fancy Nancy doll. It was the after this one. This one, the ballet one.
That was the ballet one?
It was after that one. Because there's 2 episodes in one in Fancy Nancy.
See how poseable she is? Her arms go up and down and her wrists rotate. Her legs don't bend at the knees, but they are poseable. So you can move her around in different positions. She wears this really cute, pretty dress with butterflies all over the dress. And let's get her all fancied up.
Bye. I hope you like Fancy Nancy as much as I do.
Thank you so much, JAKKS Pacific, for sending over Fancy Nancy for us to unbox. We had a great time. We hope you have a fancy day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
I want to fancy up my own toys. The Incredibles! That's what I'm going to fancy up. Do you know where Dash is? They just didn't make them for these. They just didn't make them. So we're just going to do all these fancy up. Look, my Incredibles toys are kind of fancy. I love this Mr. Incredible. He's so posable, and I love his texture of feel. Oh, he has a shiny super suit, and even his feet pose, like he poses, like, I am the Splitter, and I top my doll. Look how Elastigirl's super suit, the original one, super suit is. It's super fancy and so glittery.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah.